I'm Erica Ashe, and you are on the set of In Contempt, the new show on BET. I'm playing Gwen Sullivan. She is a public defender, and this is a 1-hour law drama. And it's interesting because generally when you see law dramas, they are on the other side, the district attorney side, and so they're always going after the bad guys. But I think what's interesting about this show is that it shows the other side of things. And my character fiercely fights for everyone that she represents, and that's why I really, really like Gwen. She's ballsy and slightly crazy. Fun in it for me, it's like a mystery novel that I get to be right in the middle of, and I get to be a part of it unfolding, and you know, the whodunit and how we're gonna prove it, and I'm like, you know, I'm the sleuth. Bennett Thompson is my dream guy. He's smart, he's sexy. He's everything that a woman would want a man to be. Charming, successful. Did I say smart and sexy?
My name is TOBIAS TRUVILLION. I play the character of Bennett Thompson. We're really getting down to the essence of, I would say, Gwen and Bennett's relationship. You know, we're starting to really pull back some layers. You know, we really get to see who they are as individuals. We really get a chance to see how they are together, you know, through love, through trust, trust issues, through friendship. And then we really get a chance to really see how there's a potential for their relationship.
Half mark. Bravo.
Hutchings. I play Tracy Campbell, and Tracy is a sassy, bold lawyer from the South who might have some secrets of her own. Well, Gwen is my best friend and my roommate, but also I'd say Gwen is extremely dedicated and passionate about what she does. She is messy, and all she does is eat junk food and drink Flame Bolts, and doesn't pay her bills on time, so I'm constantly covering her half of the bills. But I love her, so I do it.
I am Christian Keys. I play Charlie Riggs on In Contempt. I'm a public defender. My character is serious and good at his job, you know, at my job, but I also don't take everything very seriously. Charlie is definitely adept at his job, functional, knowledgeable, good-hearted person, but he plays a lot. Bit of a ladies' man, has a history with the Gwen character, played by the wonderful and incredibly funny and goofy Erica Ashe. And we have a romantic history and an occasional romantic run-in. Gwen's characterization of Earl, her father, she doesn't like the fact that he doesn't love her job choice.
So I'm Earl Sullivan, retired judge, and having had a distinguished career, and I'm trying to get my daughter to see the light that she could fight for the people that she's interested in fighting for better from a higher perch. She's against it, trying to win these battles in the court system with not enough money and not enough time, and that if she worked for a larger firm, a corporate firm, that she can have better gloves to fight with. Gwen is such a headstrong person, brilliant lawyer, but she's fighting from a level that she cannot win. And there's always going to be a life of frustration, dissatisfaction for her, because the fact that she's going to lose most of those battles, and I'm really constantly trying to convince her that she can fight this in a better way. I feel so frustrated by her experience, and I want to see her have a better life and not have to work so hard. And I think people will be able to look at this show and really see the world around them.
I think that it's very, very important that people see this, especially in the climate today with all the things that are going on and the way that people are getting off, especially a lot of police officers who are getting off after doing very heinous things, especially to young black men. I think it's going to be very interesting to see the cogs and inner workings of how the justice system would allow something like that to happen. You're going to be able to see the loopholes and how people can shimmy through them, and you're going to be able to see how people work together. You're going to be able to see the disadvantages that we start off with going into the courtroom and why it's so important